Studebaker, 35 Studebaker. Man, I like this paint. Wow, that's really nice. She's a big one. This looks like it is a legit bar find. Oh, it's sold. Didn't make her in time. These intakes are really cool. This one's got carbs. That is a lot of chrome. 36. I like it. Big old fins. Rumor is this guy drove this all the way from Florida to get here for this car show. Show you what we're working with here. Here's the first row here. Goes all the way down to that fence. You can see the rows go down, 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 all the way down there. She's a big one. And I believe on the other side of that last building, there's cars on the other side of that too. So there is plenty to see, ladies and gentlemen, like this beautiful Impala right here. But we're gonna go all the way down here to this end row and start there and weave our way through. Mercury, my dad had a Mercury just like this. Yep, same thing. His was green. His was white and green, 56. It's a beautiful car. There we go, I got a Nomad wagon. That's pretty sweet. 55. Sweet Pea, 54 Nash. Old Sweet Pea. Oh, I don't know if I'd want to get an accident in that. 57. It's a big old caddy. 55 is what they're telling us here. Here's a 55 Ford four-door. We got ourselves a 56 Ford glass top, one of 603 produced. My father's got a 56 Ford, but Crown Victoria, but he doesn't have the glass top. That's pretty cool. Hopefully you guys can see that. Got the wire wheels. My father's got wire wheels in his too. My father actually has two 56 Fords. One's a convertible, one's a Crown Vic. Got a lot of work into them. Here's the old Buick. What year is that? 51. There's a 57 Ford. And we got another Buick four-door on the end. 51 Super. She is super, I guess. Welcome back, boys and girls. Once again to MCL, and once again we're in St. Peter, Minnesota. She's packed. She is packed. We got a whole swap meet over on the other side of the buildings, packed full. Good turnout. Supposed to kind of rain today. That didn't happen. Beautiful sky. Already sweating my butt off. I'm not even halfway through. But yeah, this is going on for, I think this is the 48th annual. I could be wrong. I believe it's 48th. If you guys are in the area, I've never been here before, definitely need to check this place out. It's a pretty big deal. So you don't want to hear me yapping about all that kind of stuff. You want to see the shiny stuff. So let's go ahead and get at it. Got ourselves a Buick. What year are we talking here? 67 Buick. How's it going today?
Pretty good.
It's a pretty nice Buick. Pretty nice Buick you got here.
Yeah. We go to Bowling Green with it every year, but this year we didn't make it.
Didn't make the trip, huh?
Wait for six.
Yeah. Well, that's a beautiful car. Malibu. Got ourselves a Dodge with the little dishes in her. What year are we talking here? This is a 72 model. Wow, this is nice. Riviera. Black and black. That's a cool center console. Got little water spots on her. Barracuda. Automatic. Have the seats folded down. Gonna take a nap later, I think. Another Chevelle. Oh, she's a big block. 454 is what the air cleaner's trying to tell us. SS Camaro. Automatic. Mustang Fastback GTO. Here we go. She's a manual. It's the way to do it. Charger with that big old sloping back on it. '68. Kind of on the dark side of the moon here where shadow is. This whole side's going to be in shadow. But at least you don't have to look at my stupid shadow, I guess. There's a Ranchero. Camaro. Wow, that's really clean. That's nice. Red interior. Galaxy 500 4-door. Another GTO. Z28 with a 302. What's this one? 68. And another Chevelle. Rounds out the row. See if we can get the shiny side here. There's the shiny side. Got some oldies over here. Rumor is this guy drove this all the way from Florida to get here for this car show. And that, my friends, is a straight up lie. I just lied to you on that. Minnesota plates on it. Deluxe. What year are we talking on this Deluxe? 49 Deluxe. Ooh, this thing is long. The split window in the back. There's your basically a rolling apartment right there. You can live in the back of that, I suppose. You got your swan bird thing, whatever that is right there. Another Deluxe 2-door. Flathead. I like the wheels, that's kind of cool. I believe this is a 53, I think. Still got the straight 6. Or is this a 54? I can never remember what's what. That is 53, I do believe. An Impala 2-door. Is it a Biscayne? No, it's Impala. Small block. 283. It's a FE. Yeah, I got those tanks. 64 is what they want to tell us here. Is a 4-door Galaxy 500. Old Herbie made the show. 409, here we go. It's got the 2 4s. Oh, it does have the 2 4s. That's very sweet. Although I wonder if that's factory. Those aren't factory carbs, are they? I can't tell. Definitely not a factory fuel pressure regulator, I don't think. Can't see if those are factory carbs. Doesn't really matter. Ooh, and a 4-speed. Heck yeah. Tack on the column, old school tack. I'm liking it. Next to that, you got a Falcon 64, I think. Dice hanging, got some food there if you need a snack for later. A little 283. Another Buick. Chrysler 4-door 62. And a Pontiac Catalina. You gotta say it like that. I don't know why. I don't make the rules, but 62. So much room. So much room in these oldies. And then we're back to our Impala. Another Impala next to it with a small block. And another Impala. And a Buick convertible. 64 Buick convertible. Here we go, Galaxy 2-door, 63 and a half. There's your FE again with the tank. Bonneville. Is this a Carmen Ghia? Believe it is. Impala 4-door. Probably straight 6 maybe. 283, who knows. Caddy, big old fins. Caddy and their fins. We're talking 64 right here. All black. Mafia car all the way right there. In the end here, it's a Galaxy. Got that cool teardrop hood scoop. 390. The scoops are pretty cool. Got a Ram and Jam 4-speed in her. 442 of the T-tops. Cutlass. Corvette. Big old Thunderbird with the T-tops. That's a big boy. 6.6 Camaro. This has got to be the late 70s, and yeah, 78. Another Corvette. Grand National. See with these every once in a while. And a Ranchero. 78 on the Ranchero, it looks like. Well, guess what, boys and girls? This is your thing, because you clicked on this, so you must like it, and you've made it this far into the video, so that just confirms the likeness of your head. So why don't you go ahead and do one of these things. Click, there's a button down there somewhere, I think. You can kind of click on that, give it a thumbs up, a like. Appreciate it, and actually helps me out way more than you think. Fox body. Another Fox body. This kind of looks like mine. This has got to be a 93. I think that was the only year they painted the molding. Otherwise, all the moldings were black. What's it say? Yep, 93. Mine looks just like that. Only the molding here all the way around is black. Camaro with Corvette wheels. W30. This is cool. Got the Hearst Olds in the back there. That's cool. Ram Air. We're gonna skip on through over here. Check out some of these trucks. This one's for sale. Anybody want to buy that guy? Long bed. Four-wheel drive. 87. Apache. Kind of like that. It's got the newer wheels. I think those are like SS wheels, aren't they, from a truck? Really nice square body next to it. Is this a, what is it? Oh, 3100 on the end here. Wow, that's a really nice truck. 55. Wow, that's really nice. That is do not step. Okay, I won't do that. Here's a guy rumping on through in his Oldsmobile 64. Corvette convertible. 2 4s. Meet. 70 convertible. Right over here, Barracuda convertible. Another convertible. Mercury. Big Whiskey Johnson. Okay, whatever. That's a beautiful car, man. Got the Continental kit in the back.
Right here. Good way to see this truck.
Galaxy 500 convertible, GS convertible, GTX convertible. 440. I got the matching color rims and the paint. Impala convertible. Skylark GS. Convertible. Ooh, a lot of custom on this guy. Look at his taillights. This is cool. Slam down. Is this a big block? She's a Manuel. Got the tack in the column, or the console. And it is big block. Is that 396? Yep, 396. 66. Fairlane convertible 58. Merca, right there, Merca. And rounding out this row is a Mustang 69. Street rod plates on this bad boy. This is really cool. It's the interesting color, small block. Power windows, I guess. Got the little knob on the steering wheel, those are always cool. Again, the wheels match the car, always like that. We got over here 31 Ford. '54 Bel Air 4-door. Apparently I was wrong on the one over there. I thought it was a 53, might have been a 54, whatever. So I'm off by 1 year. GTO LS in here. Yeah, it's a 241 on the head. That makes it a 5.7, which would have been in a GTO. 41 Chevy. She's lowered LT1 in it. Very cool custom interior. Very cool. And the old flat black will round out the row. That purple really stands out. What is the Z38? I don't know if that's what the crate engine is or something. I don't know, I guess. Got the old Ford motor in here with the HEI 33 Ford Coupe. Got the flip hood, that's cool. And a four-door with the suicide doors in the back. 37 Chevy. She's a driver. Got a little duct tape going on, but you know, runner. 39 Chevy. This guy's got some big old headlights down here. Takes her Baja on, I guess. That is a bright yellow. 36. I like it. Oh man, you should have painted the rims the same as the car. That would just put it right over the edge. Got ourselves some Mopar in here. Plymouth, 33 Plymouth. Oh, big old honking fatties in the back. Flathead. Just gonna spout that out, flathead. You got 3 2s in this guy here. That's a 32. We got 33 next to it here. What's, oh wow, look at the paint on this. It's a 35. Look at the emblem on the front here. Studebaker, 35 Studebaker. Man, I like this paint. And again, rims match car. Let's sniff around in the interior, shall we? Like the door panels, the seats. The window goes down in the back. Very cool. Very cool. We got 31 Ford, big block. Got ourselves a big block in there. Tire burner. Like the visor. No door handles. I don't know how you get in there. Maybe you go through the trunk and you climb through the inside. Of course, I'm joking. I know how you get in there. Another one with no door handles. See, he's got the trunk open so you can crawl through the back. Jokes again, people, jokes. How's it going? Is this your car? That's you, huh? It's beautiful. You do all the work on it then? No?
Mechanical, no painting.
I hear you.
No painting in my blood.
Oh, I'm with you on that, man. I'm with you on that. Got some AC going on. Might need to use that today. Gotta say, that is a eye-catching yellow right there. 56. Oh, we got one leaving. He's had enough for the day. And then we got ourselves a 55 wagon. 2 doors on that wagon. Look at the flames on this. That's interesting. That's a 55. 56. Kind of like the blue. I like that color. There's a Nomad. Got the old rock and the Edelbrock, that'll boy. 57, 56. She's got an LS in it, Corvette. 241 on the head. And here's a 4-door wagon. Pretty cool. And then straight across from it's another 55. Another Nomad. Got some dark tinted windows in the back there. And another 57. Firebird GTO. I'm starting to figure out my GTO is 66. I can tell by the front end. That's the only year that had the front end like that. 66. What is that? Like a 400 maybe? 455. I don't know. Somebody tell me. Some Pontiac guy watching this, tell me, is this a, can you tell? How do you tell? Actually, tell me that in the comments. How do I tell the difference in Pontiac engines? Because they're pretty similar looking anyway. Side pipes on this Mustang, it's different. 383 Super B. Dodge wants to tell you that's a 69. And we got a very patinaed Falcon small block. That looks like a fresh small block there. Rocking the Edelbrock, that a boy. No power steering, no nothing but an alternator. 357. I'm guessing that's a board over 351. 66. I like this color though too. Actually the rims. I'm usually not much for rims like this, but it looks good on this for sure. Man, I like this color. Colored the bumpers. Colored the whole stinking thing. Beautiful car. Is this your car? I love it, man.
Thanks.
I like that color.
Yeah, turned out pretty good.
Yeah. Is it a 351 board over? Yeah. Okay.
Windsor.
Cool. Have a good weekend. Then we got a 396. And then we'll go right over here to this row right here for this Nova, 69 Nova, small block. El Camino with a small block. Mustang with a very big small block. That's a lot of chrome. That is a lot of chrome. Probably a couple ponies right there, I'm guessing. I like the white with the black stripes. Belvedere with a not so factory motor in it. That is that's a very clean job. This is nice. Wow, that's very well done. I'm liking this. I'm not too up on my Dodges, so we got to take a look. 67. Very sleeperish though, except for the big knob down there where you turn it into gear, but you got the start button on the dash. I don't know if you can see that. Push start deal. This is really cool. Beautiful 442. 67. Oldsmobile, a little sticker right there. What's it say? Horsepower 350, torque 440. 10.5 to 1 compression. There you go, in case you're wondering on that.
I've been trying to, well, you know the system.
65 Mercury. The old Comet.
Yep, and so is theirs.
Bel Air, that's got to be what, 59? Yeah, 59. This is beautiful right here. Oh, I know this guy. This is Mr. Jim Miller. Yes, it is. I know this cat. A lot of work into this, man. Motor, tranny, the whole works. Here's your little board right here if you want to read that. Twister Special Mach 1. Oh, it's definitely special. 1970 was ahead of its time. That's the first Coyote motor they put in the Mustang right there. That's factory. Again, jokes, people. Calm down. You don't need to blow up my comment section. Nova. 73. Another Nova. That's a 70. Oh, here you go. You can see the difference in the back window. Rounds. Kind of squared off. This one's more of a triangle looking. Kind of your differences there. 289 Camaro. That's got to be another late 70s. 77. Ooh, I like this. Painted bumpers. What do we got? 71. It's got the triangle. See the triangle window? Cool little model on there. That's a cool wagon, everyone. Wagon. 68. Got the babies in the back. We got 2 baby seats. Got any groceries back here? No groceries. Automatic. That hood needs some help, looks like. 67 Camaro. Oh, here's a big block Nova. There's your 74 with the more squared looking window in the back. That would definitely be a big block. Oh, I like the paint job on this. That's a LT1, I believe. Another one that's got to crawl through the trunk. No door handles. I really like this though, the split color like that. I think that's a perfect decision on the wheels there. Goes good with the color. This is your truck section, kind of, sort of. 2.5 rows here. We're gonna start off with this sweet International right here. Drove her straight out of the barn. 47. Interesting color. Another eye catcher, these door handles. There's a bed, got the wood bed. Beautiful truck, 5 window. Pickleman's custom, or Rod and Custom. Almost said it backwards. Why did I say it backwards? Orange 51. There's those visors again. Those visors are cool. That one's a lot bigger. Big old wheels on that puppy too. Oh, we got a fuel injected 302 in this one. Man, this is nice. No door handles again. Crawl through the window or something, I don't know. This guy's got the motor in the wrong spot. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Yo, stub nose, look at this guy up here. There's your two-tone again, the split color. And then across the row, got ourselves a Studebaker, 49 Studebaker. '54. Here's a 4-wheel drive, 63. I like the color. Ooh, red rims. I guess each their own type thing. Here's a LS in this. This must be bagged or something. You got the floor way up, so. Wow, it even smells really good in here. It smells like brand new interior. Oh, this is the newer style.
Yeah, so if you buy a 3/4 ton,
6.6. Couple 4-wheel drives. This must be an El Camino, yeah. What is that, 71, I believe? Got the split signal light in the front. I believe is a 71, and I am correct. 85. Look at the paint. That paint's pretty sweet. Flat back. And we got ourselves a delivery over here. Got the barn doors in the back. Custom tail lights, yada, yada, and yada. Man, this square body's pretty sweet. Got some big old mutters on it. What are you talking here, 78? You're gonna have to let me know what the interior looks like because it's so tall I can't even see in there. America. Rocking the flag. This is pretty cool though. This Bronco 2 over here. kind of like the mini me. You got this guy, and then you got that guy. Here's Papa C1. Oh, Papa in the 76. It's nice and cleanly done. It ain't all gaudied up with a bunch of junk. Oversized wheels. Ooh, look at the interior's cool. It's nice, very nice though. We got a few in the car corral here. We got a Mustang over here, but we're gonna start off with this Hemi right here. Anybody want a Hemi? There it is. Here's your phone number. You give this cat a call. No texting. Must be a landline number or something. She's a 4-speed. Beautiful car. Beautiful car in the trunk. I mean, you get yourself some Mickey Mouse hands with it too, even. Oh, more info on this side. Here's your price. Some more info. You could own yourself a legit Hemi. And then we got a Mustang, some assembly required. Good start though, except for this door. Automatic. Got an info board here. There you go, there's your phone number. All your info you need right there. '54 Ford Skyliner. There's your phone number, your price. Disc brakes in the front. Automatic. She's a runner though. Apparently it's got a Chevy motor in it, so let's take a look at that. Yeah, that's your old typical small block there. She's a driver. Now, boys and girls, we are going to check out the swap meet section of the video. Maybe we'll find some gems. Maybe we'll drag some junk home that we don't need. I guess we'll see. It's a Camaro 67. $1,300. Let me see if I can get you guys a phone number. Like an obstacle course going through here. Here we go, Mike. You can give Michael a call. Maybe you guys can negotiate a sweet deal. How about some die-cast cars? 48 Indian. 12.5. Got the phone number covered up. It's a 507 number. That's very cool though. Tires on one side. We have engines on the other side. 302 Ford. Mopar 340. Got a FE with 2 4s. And a small block 1974 Bolt. Holly Fighters. All kinds of them. 2.4 intake. How about a tricycle? That gets 1,000,000 miles a gallon. Here we got all kinds of stuff. We got Dale and Dale over here. GTO air cleaner, all kinds of air cleaners. There's a 2.4. All kinds of goody stuff over here. Quadra junk. 5-speed for your hot rod, $200. That doesn't seem a bad deal. Bare block and rear end. It's over here, 2.4 is out of factory. No, it's aftermarket.
What is that thing doing here?
Edelbrock for small block Chevy. More shiny. And some spotlights. All kinds of spotlights. You got some Galaxy tail lights. Bunch of hood ornaments. Those are cool.
I made the motor look lights on the semi.
What do we got over here? Anybody need bumpers? 57 Ford, 58, 59, some grills. Fenders for 57 Ford, $300. Got over here, calling that one an M20 with the shifter and linkage for $1,000. This other one says 65 Corvette for $1,750. Oof, here we got a box of parts. Some heads, look like Pontiacs. Pontiac headers. Look at these rims over here, these are cool.
Newer ones.
Flathead intakes. DeSoto Fire Dome. $500. Oof. 150 Chrysler Hemi. This looks like it is a legit bar find. Oh, it's sold. Didn't make her in time. It's not bad. Does look like it's just been pulled out of the barn though. Look at it, even still has these wide oval Firestones on it. I'd leave her just like that and run it and get her driving. Here's the Scoops, 390, 210, 351 Scoop, center console. How about some caps? That's a 56 Ford there. I recognize that one. Got a bunch more over here. Looks like Cougar. Chevy, Chevy, Chevy. Here's your phone number. Anybody want to get a hold of Don? This guy here is selling a couple sweet rides. Actually, I think I seen that one at Unique Auto, that classic car place that sells classic cars in Mankato. Here's your phone number. 36 Ford, 29.5. Saw these intakes though. Try to get my big shadow out of the way for you. These intakes are really cool. This one's got carbs. This intake caught my eye. It doesn't have a price on it. It's a 302. Small block, small block. Got some trannies over here. 975, 68 Mustang 390. And this one's got your code here. $850 or make offer. No linkage or anything. Mustang grill, tail lights. Looks like that's all he's got from Mustang stuff. A couple old school bikes, or one at least. Got some carburetors. Never a shortage of carburetors and intakes.